guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth. Once again, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there so you would be updated on when I post new videos. So today I am going to be doing a reveal to you guys of two items that I recently received from my husband as a gift. These are by no means big items, but they are very special because, of course, my husband got it for me. There are two items. One I have not yet worn, and the other I've actually worn twice already. So these are opened items. I'm just going to share it with you guys and reveal these items to you. So we actually bought these items together, and he had me pick the two items. So here is the paper bag that it came with. It came with this ribbon, but the boxes actually came with their own Camilla and their own ribbon as well, but they don't have them anymore because I've already put them aside. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys the item. So it came with this receipt. Each one has their tag. So this is for one, and this is for the other one. So let me go ahead and show you guys what he got me. So the first one I'm going to show you is the one that he got me for our anniversary. So here is the box that it came in. Open that up. So it came in this velvet protective pouch, or however you call it. So here it is. So here is the first item. It is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the detail. This one actually almost looks like the brooch that I have, but instead of the crystals here being just a regular crystals, these are actually rectangular crystals going around the sea. I love that. Let me take it out and try it on for you guys. I actually love this necklace because you can use this one as a choker. It comes with this hole in here that you can make it this short. So let me show you guys the choker way of wearing it. So this is wearing the item as a choker, and let me show you wearing it as a long necklace. So you can wear it as like a long necklace that you can layer with other necklaces that you have. So it is very pretty. I really love it. So let me show you the detail of the necklace. So you can see there's a quilting on the one side, and on the other side is the rectangular crystals that goes around the sea. It is very pretty. So aside from wearing this one as a choker and a long necklace, I have also thought about wearing this one as the other side of the necklace. Look how smooth the other side is. It doesn't have the details and the design. So you can wear this one both ways as well, with the back side of the CC, which just looks like a really smooth double C. So that still looks really pretty. I was so excited when we saw this one in store because the ones that they actually had were all silver, but fortunately this was the last gold that they had in the store. So we got this. So the next one is this one that I got for Valentine's Day. It came in this tiny Chanel box, and it also is in the velvet pouch, the protective velvet pouch. Just take that out. I have not worn this one yet. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is. Let me try this on. So I intentionally didn't wear any earrings so I can try this on for you guys. That looks so pretty. I love that the CC is really tiny and small. So I already have a stud CC earring, so I wanted to get a dangling one. Fortunately, they had this one. I love pearl earrings. I don't think this is a real pearl, but I love wearing pearl studs. So here is how the earrings looks on me. It is really, really pretty. It has that small CC up top and the dangling pearl detail. So I really, really like it, you guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like the dangling one or do you prefer the stud CCs? I actually like this one. I wish they also made like a really tiny CC earrings, like almost like that one, but without the dangling pearl. That would look really pretty as well. So that is it, guys. That was my reveal for the two items that I got as a gift from my husband for our anniversary and also for Valentine's Day. I hope you guys have an awesome day and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!